The relative pronouns are the final set of pronouns that we will be learning about this semester. Just like with all of the other pronouns we have learned, you will be required to master the forms of qui, qui, quod, the relative pronoun, for the words who, whose, whom, in, which. In this lesson, you will write the forms on your chart and then be given an opportunity to practice them before you take the mastery quiz. Here are the forms for the relative pronoun qui, qui, quod. Pause the video now and write all the forms and their translations on your copy of the chart. Now let's practice saying the relative pronoun forms together. I will say the line of words. You repeat it after me. Qui, qui, quod. Quius, quius, quius. Qui, qui, qui. Quem, quam, quod. Quo, qua, quo. And now on to the plural forms. Qui, qui, qui. Quorum, quorum, quorum. Quibus, quibus, quibus. Quos, quas, quae. Quibus, quibus, quibus. Have you noticed that the forms of qui, qui, quod are a little bit different than all of the other pronouns that we have learned? In the plurals, for example, they seem to use some endings from first and second declension, like the o-room, the a-room, and the o-room. The e and the I for the masculine and feminine nominative. The os and the as for the masculine and feminine accusative plural. But then they seem to go to third declension to get the dative and ablative plural ending, which is ibus. You might think that it makes them a little more challenging to learn, but actually for me, I find that the differences make them unique and somewhat easier to remember. Also notice that in the singular forms, the genitive and the dative all have the same form, just like is true for all forms of isse, id, hic, haec, hoc, and illa, illa, illud. Your task now is to master the forms in Latin for qui, qui, quod, and to also understand how each of the different cases is translated. There are Quizlet flashcards to help you become extremely familiar with the terms before you take the mastery quiz in Schoology.